Having trouble sleeping because of back pain, sweat, bad support or due to partner disturbance? We know how hard it is to find the perfect mattress that just fits. To impart a peaceful sleep experience, we have created this special cool memory foam mattress just for you. The temperature-regulating sleeping surface freshens and fastens air circulation due to the open cell structure of memory foam employed. An even distribution of your body weight on the mattress gives you zonal support and right pressure at each point for maximum comfort. Furthermore, the orthopedic base surface has multi-level action for relieving aches or pains in any part of your body. The mattress is weaved with one-of-a-kind quilted and knitted fabric for maximum durability. For an undisturbed experience, non-skid base is added at the bottom of the mattress, which provides it with a better grip on the bed. With the smallest mattress box ever, it is now easy to fit your mattress in narrow hallways and elevators. Crafted especially with a 3-layer combination, the mattress is a perfect fit for you and just about everyone else.